There are scents you never forget. Freshly baked bread, rain hitting dry soil. But there's one that wraps around you from the inside, the smell of cookies coming out of the oven. Today, we're making the chocolate chip cookie recipe my grandmother used to bake. It's simple, it's homemade, and it's pure love. It all starts with the basics: flour, butter, brown and white sugar, 2 eggs, a splash of vanilla, baking soda and a pinch of salt. And of course, a generous shower of chocolate chips. The ingredients aren't surprising, but what you do with them is. Because this recipe isn't measured in cups, it's measured in memories. The butter blends with the sugars into a soft cream that already smells like childhood. The eggs go in one by one as the vanilla fills the air. The flour joins slowly, almost respectfully, and with every stir, the dough begins to come alive. Then, like a happy rain, in go the chocolate chips. My grandmother used to say, if you think it's enough, add more. We roll the dough into little balls with our hands. They don't need to be perfect. Cookies, like memories, are more beautiful with uneven edges. We place them on the tray, spaced apart. 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 12 minutes. Just enough for the house to start smelling like home. The oven opens, and a warm puff of steam brushes your face. There they are, golden, crisp on the edges. Soft in the center, the chocolate glistens like it knows it did a good job. You pick one up, break it open, and the melted chocolate stretches gently between both halves. You take a bite, and for a second, everything stops. These aren't just cookies. They're slow Sunday mornings, they're conversations around the table, they're flour-dusted hands, and laughter in the kitchen. Baking these isn't just following a recipe, it's bringing a memory back to life. It's giving yourself a moment of calm. And if you ever needed a reason to turn the oven on, this is it.